I'm dying without even knowing it. Mix garlic with cloves and never spend money at the market. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. How are you? I hope all the best things are coming to you. Today, I'm going to share a super money-saving tip for grocery shopping, which will definitely help you save a lot of money while still shopping comfortably. Watch until the end of the video so you don't miss this interesting secret. To do this, we'll need cloves, the kind you use in the kitchen. Another thing is garlic. We'll use a garlic bulb like this, okay? If you have a smaller garlic bulb, that's fine. It'll still work. So, to get started, and of course, if you like content like this, hit the button below to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any money-saving tips or success tips. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. You will take the cloves and start inserting them into the garlic bulb like this. Do this for the whole garlic bulb. You don't need to insert them too close together, for example, like I'm doing here. You can space them a little bit apart. When you insert the cloves, the garlic juice starts to flow out and emit a characteristic pungent smell. Actually, this smell is only released when you crush, cut, or puncture the garlic clove. Whole garlic does not emit any smell. Try it at home. Take a clove of garlic. If you just smell the whole bulb, there will be no strong smell. But as soon as you cut the clove, the pungent smell will be very strong. Try it at home and let me know in the comments if you have tried it. Now let's continue with a few more. I inserted a few buds just for illustration, and that's it. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So, what will you do with this tip? If you have plants, you will apply the following. Place the garlic bulb with cloves in the soil. This will prevent pests from entering the substrate or soil of the plant. If your plant has pests, this tip will help to get rid of them. Not only kill, but also prevent, because the pungent smell of garlic and cloves will keep pests away from the plant. Another way is to place this garlic bulb behind the door of the living room or bedroom. This will also prevent spiders and cockroaches, because this is a very unpleasant smell for them. You will repel both insects and spiders. This will keep them away. Spiders, cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes, the types that often hang around in the house. You can also put it in the kitchen cabinets. This will prevent termites and cockroaches from reaching your furniture. This recipe is great for keeping insects, spiders, and rodents out of the house. Try it. I am sure it will work for you. You can use it anywhere in the house. This is an organic, simple, and cheap trick to avoid the troubles you are facing. Method 2. First, prepare a handful of fresh, juicy garlic. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. Then, place the prepared garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. You can slice them thinly with a knife or crush them with the back of a knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will help the spicy juice in the garlic to be released more through the cut surface. Crushing breaks the cell structure of the garlic cloves, allowing more allicin and volatile pungent substances to be released. Next, chop finely. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent smell. That is the sign that the garlic is starting to exert its insect repellent effect. The more carefully the garlic is prepared, the more effective it is at repelling cockroaches. Then put all the garlic in a clean bowl. Add 3 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. The surfactant ingredients in the dishwashing liquid will destroy the protective oil layer on the surface of the cockroach's body, causing them to quickly dehydrate, while also causing paralysis and poisoning. When the 2 ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water temperature will help the pungent active ingredients in the garlic to be released more thoroughly, while completely dissolving the ingredients of the dishwashing liquid so that the 2 work together more strongly. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl with plastic wrap and soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the spicy substances from the garlic continue to penetrate the water and completely mix with the active ingredients of the dishwashing liquid. After soaking, it can be prepared for use. If you have a small spray bottle, just filter the solution and pour it into it for convenient, precise spraying. If not, use a clean, empty plastic bottle, pour the solution in, then poke a few small holes in the bottle cap. And you have a simple. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The water pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always wet, can contain leftover food, and also need to be treated. The dark, humid environment plus the potential food source make this place a safe house for cockroaches. After spraying thoroughly, the solution will penetrate deep into the gaps. When cockroaches crawl over, they come into contact with allicin and detergents and gradually lose their ability to move, leaving them with no chance of survival. The kitchen counter is where cockroaches often look for food. Grease and soup splashed during cooking accumulate on the surface and in the crevices of the stove knobs, a delicious feast for them. When spraying, don't just spray the surface, but aim at the cracks that meet the wall, the edge of the table, and the hidden corners of the cabinet. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed. They quickly lose water and gradually die under the continuous impact of the solution. blocking their way to find food. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside of the trash can are often covered with leftover food and dirty water, making it easy for small flies to fly around the house. In particular, the crevice between the bottom and the side of the trash can is where cockroaches gather. Even the bottom of the trash can should not be overlooked. Spray several times to cover the hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of garlic will stimulate their nerves, and the dishwashing liquid will be toxic and kill them quickly. Combining the dual power of garlic and dishwashing liquid creates a protective net, leaving cockroaches with no place to hide. If you are worried that spraying the solution all over the house will cause it to become greasy, there is another, gentler way. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please like it. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.